Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to find your draft videos on YouTube using the YouTube app. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your device. On the home page, tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap and hold the red button to record a video. Once you're done recording, release the red button. Now, tap the X in the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the two options. You can delete or save and exit. Select Save and Exit to save the video as a draft. And in order to locate your draft, tap the plus icon again at the bottom of the screen. On the left side, you'll see a section labeled Draft. Tap on it and you'll find all your saved draft videos. In the draft section, you can edit or delete your draft videos as needed. And that's it. You've successfully found and managed your draft videos on YouTube. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any suggestions and questions. Thanks for watching.